Hello guys, welcome you back again to Jokes for Life. And if today is your first time on this channel, subscribe to the channel and like today's video. On today's episode, I present to you Sammyyo2k. Sammyyo2k is a curvaceous Instagram fashion model, a social media influencer whose selfies and photo shoots on the platform has earned her over 5 million dedicated Instagram followers. She was born on 2nd April 1992 and she hails from Poland, United States. As of 2022, Sammyyo2k's age is 30 years. These are some of the trending images on Instagram. A beautiful, gorgeous curvy plus-size model with a nice outfit. We've seen that she has a curvy body with a magnificent beauty. Have you seen that? Subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll catch you in the next. Stay tuned.